Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this soldering iron set from Parkside, the model PLK60A1. Universal soldering station for electronics, model making and variety of other hobbies. Working temperature 480 degrees Celsius maximum, heat up time 180 seconds to max 480 degrees Celsius. 17-piece set included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. In a lovely case. Included, of course, we have in the manual. If you want to read, it is your choice, but stay with me, you're going to find out all about this product. So many accessories, wow! With a cable length 1.5 meters. Included tips. Now let's see one by one what we have at the box. One stripping knife. Cable wires on red and black color with a length 1 meter. So how we can use the stripping knife? Hold just like that, insert the cable here, it depends the diameter of the cable, press this plastic, rotate and then just pull. That was all. But I prefer my tools, are more professional. The same you can do, and with the black cable, the diameter it is the same. We have one desoldering braid. There it is. 1 millimeter the diameter. One soldering sponge to clean the tips at the front, one solder, 15 grams, 0.8 millimeter the diameter, the thickness, and we have in this tweezers. This is the ESD 15 and the ESD 11. Pointed, I like it. And one desoldering pump. Wow. Press. Oh yeah, I can feel it. Definitely I would like to try that. And of course we have the soldering tips. 6 total, 1 pre-installed. Different tips, flat tips, pointed tips, and of course one of the most important, it is the soldering iron stand, very helpful, the coil spring, the base, and you can have here and the soldering sponge. And we have and the soldering iron here. The soldering iron features an ergonomically designed handle, providing comfortable grip that reduces fatigue during extending soldering sessions. The slim profile of the handle allows for better precision and control. The soldering iron comes with an adjustable temperature control from 200 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius. Here it says. This allows you to fine-tune the temperature depending on the material you're working with, whether it's delicate electronics or tougher metal components. The on-off switch here, LED indicator, and here we have the holder for the soldering tip, unscrew, It comes with interchangeable soldering tips, allowing you to switch between different tip shapes and sizes depending on your project, whether you need a fine point for detailed work or a broader tip for larger components. The variety of the tips enhances the iron's versatility. And it is so easy to change. And here we have the ceramic heating element inside. Well, I think Parkside is doing very good quality tools in the last few years. Flexible at the end of the cable, very thick cable with ground. I like it, so let's plug it in and test it. It doesn't turn on, press and hold, and then it will turn on. We have a red LED indicator. Now it is in lowest, 200 degrees Celsius. I would like to see if the LED indicator will change color when the temperature reaches at 200 degrees Celsius. And yes, it goes to green. Increasing. Red again. So let's test it. One cable here and another cable here. (400 degrees Celsius). It is ready. Very good connection. And we have this board. So let's clean. And I can use the desoldering braid for cleaning this area. It will be wisely to use a flat tip. So let's do that. Press the button, switch it off. I don't have the time to wait, so let's improvise. And that's how you can clean the area. And start welding the new cable. And again, you can remove and clean it with this desoldering pump. Let's try that. Press the pump, and at the right moment Okay, well, I think it's doing a job. Yep. Nice. So this soldering iron set is a practical and versatile kit that meets the needs of both beginners and experienced users. With its adjustable temperature, range of accessories, so many, and ergonomic design, this set provides everything you need to handle various soldering tasks efficiently. Whether you are into electronics, DIY projects, or small household repairs, this set offers excellent performance and value for money. Only 14 euros it costs. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews, tips and project ideas. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep building, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.